Hello everyone, welcome to the series of tips and tricks at Mathegination. Our today's question is about the famous math Olympiad problem in which we are given three algebraic equations and we have to find the answer of the third one using the first. Let's see how we can solve this question. But before going to the solution, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe this channel Mathegination so that you can learn more tips and tricks about mathematics. So we are given three equations. Let's call it equation 1, equation 2, and the equation we have to find, call it equation 3. So first of all, let the equation which we have to find out x plus y equals some number any real number, right? Now let's equation 2, which is x square plus y square equals self. Now we know that I can write this like this, x plus y whole square minus 2xy equals self. How? Because we know that a plus b whole square equals a square plus 2ab plus b square, right? So I add and subtract plus 2xy and minus 2xy plus 2xy with x square plus y square become x plus y whole square and minus 2xy as it is equals 7. Now we know that x plus y is n, so I put n square minus 2xy equals 7. Next, what we can do is take this n square as it is, minus 2xy goes here and 7 goes on the left hand side. So I can write it like this, and n square minus 7 upon 2 equals xy. So what we did actually find out the value of xy. Okay, after that we have to take our third equation, which is, so for the first equation, which is x cube plus y cube equals 10. So here what we can do, we know that actually a cube plus b cube is equivalent to what? A plus b whole cube, right? Minus 3x, 3ab, a plus b. So we can apply this thing here, right? So a cube plus b cube equals to this. So we know that since I use this formula on x cube plus y cube, so it becomes x plus y whole cube minus 3xy and x plus y. Now x cube plus y cube is 10. I write it 10 here equals x plus y is n, so n cube minus 3xy we found out which is, so let's take xy as it is for now, and x plus y is again n, right? So we can write this equation like this, that n cube remains as it is on its position. So 10 plus 3xy n equals n cube. Now what we can do is actually n 10 as it is equals, so we take minus 3xy, so minus 10 n cube minus 10, right? I take, it's actually here, 3xy multiply by n as it is. Now n cube minus 10 divided by 3n equals xy. So I take the value of xy from here as well. Now I can actually call it a, call it b, and compare both of them because both of them are equals to xy. So it means what we got actually, n square minus 7 over 2 equals n cube minus 10 over 3n. By comparing a and b, right? We got this. So after that, we know that we can solve it and it is a cubic equation. So first we have to figure out its three cubes roots. So let's see how we can solve it. So we can write 3n, so we can multiply it with this with this. So we get 3n cube minus 21n equals 2n cube minus 20, right? So we take it of here, 3n square minus 2n, 3n cube minus 2n cube become n cube minus 21n plus 20 equals to 0. So we know the quadratic formula, which is for quadratic equation. For cubic equation, we actually have to figure out what is the actually factor of it. So let's take n equals 1 as a guess. So we know 1 cube minus 21 multiply 1 minus 21 plus 20. So 20 plus 1 is plus 21 minus 21 gives us 0. So 0 equals 0. It means n minus 1 actually. So I take minus 1 here plus 1 here. So it becomes n minus 1 equals 0. So n minus 1 is a factor of our equation, which is n cube minus 21n plus 20. Now using this rule, we can find another two root as well. For this, we have to divide. So what we have? We have n cube minus 21n plus 20, right? And we know that the factor is n minus 1. So we can divide it easily. For this, let's divide. So we have to multiply this with n square. So n square and n become n cube, and this is minus n square. This become minus, cancel out, this become plus. So plus n square minus 21n plus 20. Again, we have to multiply this with n, so that we got n and n square minus n. So this is minus, cancel out, this is plus, and we got minus 21n minus n, so minus 20n plus 20. Now we can multiply it with just minus 20. So n with minus 20 got minus 20n and minus 1 minus minus plus and 20. This become plus, this become minus, this will cancel out, this will, right? So actually we got n square plus n minus 20 after dividing it by n minus 1. Now this is equals to 0. We can figure out its root, n square. So we have n square plus n minus 20. So I can write it n square. So I am using the factorization method. To n, I can write 5n minus 4n and 5 4 into 20. So minus 20n I got minus 20 equals 0. So from here I can take n common. So I got n plus 5. From here I got minus 4 common. I get n plus 5 equals 0. So these are the two terms. I get n plus 5 common. So I got n minus 4 inside. So actually we got 3n. One is n equals 1. Another is n equals minus 5. And another is n equals 4. So these are the three roots of this equation. And we know that our x plus y is n, right? We suppose x plus y equals n. It means we have case 1 in which x plus y equals 1. Case 2 in which I take x plus y equals minus 5, and case 3 in which we take x plus y equals 4. So we got three values of x plus y. But suppose let's remember that I take this n belongs to real number, right? And we have to find this xy belongs to real number. So we have to take that these xy belongs to. So this condition will make us something do more. If we have to find complex root, so these are all the solutions. But if the question asks like us in our case, that only we have to find real root for the x and y value, right? So we have to check how many of them give us the real root. So for this, we have to do nothing, but actually we have to take all the cases one by one. So let's take case 1. I'm taking case 1, which says x plus y equals 1. So it gives us, so let's take equation 2, which is x square plus y square equals 7. So and let's put the value. So from here I can take y equals 1 minus x. Put this and say that how values we got for x and y. So we got x square plus 1 minus x whole square equals 7. We got x square plus 1 minus 2x plus x square equals 7. So we got 2x square minus 2x minus 6 equals 0, which becomes when 2 common and divide with here. So x square minus x minus 3 equals 0. So take the determinant, which is b square minus 4ac, which tell us the roots is real or not. So we have minus 1 square, right? Minus 4 is 1 and minus 3. So we got 13 greater than 0. It means x plus y equals 1 because the real root, right? So let's say other cases as well. So case 2, we have x plus y equals minus 5, which means y is equals to minus 5 minus x. Let's put it what we got. So yeah, again, our equation 2 is x square plus y square equals 7. So x square plus minus 5 minus x whole square equals 7. When you open it, you got x square plus 25 plus x square plus 10x equals 7. And we got 2x square plus 10x plus 18 equals 0. And what we take x is 2 common, so we got x square plus 5x plus 9 equals 0. Again we calculate b square minus 4ac. What we got? So we have b is 5 square minus 4 1 and 9. So 25 minus, we got 36, it is minus 11, so less than 0, so no real root. And it gives complex root, so x plus y equals 5. This is not the answer for us. Let's check case 3. Case 3 for us is x plus y equals 4, right? Which gives y equals 4 minus x. Again, we use equation 2 to see if x or y are real or not. X square plus 4 minus x whole square equals 7. So we got x square plus 16 plus x square minus 8x equals 7. After simplifying it, we got x square, 2x square actually, minus 8x plus 9 equals 0. So d again b square minus 4ac. So we have minus 8 square minus 4 into 2 into 9. So it gives 64 minus, and we got 72. So again it is minus 8, which is less than 0. So no real root, right? So it means this solution is also not the answer. So the only answer for our this equation is x plus y equals 1. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please share with your friends and colleagues. Until the next video, bye bye.